What's good, SNS fam? It's your boy Sammy, and I'm back with another bang. So if you're new, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, and come get lit with the fam. So today your boy's gonna be pranking Sandals back. I need to get some payback, guys, because she got me really good with the last video. If you guys haven't seen it, go see it after this one. She did the whole possessed prank and she really creeped me out, guys.
Previously.
So I really need to come at it hard with this pranker because you already know the prank wars are on right now. So basically what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be putting baby powder on her hair dryer, guys.
Oh hell no!
So I asked her on a date today and I made reservations, you know, just to kind of get her going so she could get ready and end up using that blow dryer, guys. I'm waiting for that reaction so she could be covered all on baby powder. So you already know we're trying to get a good reaction out of this prank, guys. I'm gonna have 2 cameras set up. I'm gonna have one here in the bedroom and one in the bathroom. So I'm gonna head over to the bathroom right now, guys, so I could start, you know, getting ready with this prank. Start putting the baby powder in the blow dryer because right now she is busy just cleaning the dishes before we head out. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna get right into it, so make sure you comment down below Team Sammy Prank King. So right, guys, we're in the restroom right now. I got the baby powder here that I'm gonna be using, and I got one of her blow dryers right here. I got an older model that she has been using also, like, you know, as a backup, but it's a pretty old one. I don't want to mess up her new one, so I hit her new one. So the only one she'll be able to use is this one, guys. So I'm gonna get to it right now. I'm gonna start pouring this baby powder on it, and
No.
Oh, yep. Oh, damn. We're making a mess, guys.
Clean up on aisle 5.
I really can't wait for her reaction, for real. She's gonna be like having a fit. Alright, so here we go. Look, I'm gonna put more in this. We're gonna be very generous with this baby powder.
No.
Damn, guys, this is getting a little too crazy, for real.
12 seconds later.
But you already know it's prank war season. It's Team Sammy in the building, so we could come at it hard, for real. So I need you guys, you know, to smash that like button, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm terrified. I'm terrified for my life right now. I already know she's gonna have a fit. She's gonna be. But honestly, it looks like we have a decent amount of powder. We're gonna leave it like this. Gotta clean it up. Can't leave no evidence. You know what I'm saying?
My man.
Alright, guys, so it's ready to go. I'm gonna leave it like right here, set on, you know, the sink, and you're just gonna wait for her reaction. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So alright, guys, I already got the camera in the bathroom set up and ready to go, and I got this one right here that's gonna get her reaction in the bedroom. So all we gotta do now is just wait for her to finish washing the dishes, and we're gonna get to it right with this prank, guys. Let's get it. Finally. Take forever. We got reservations.
At what time?
Just like in an hour.
Really?
Yeah.
I have to take a shower.
Bruh.
You have to shower, really.
Yeah, it's hot. I was cleaning up. What?
You're gonna be quick.
I'll try.
Alright, go shower. Alright, go shower then, because we're gonna be running late, for real. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm right here in the hot tub looking at shoes, but you have to honestly go shower.
Okay.
Right?
I feel like it's
And I
sexy. Where are you going?
On a date that we're gonna be late for if you don't go shower. Come on, get ready. You gotta get ready, baby.
Okay, get ready.
Alright, get ready. Okay, get ready.
bruh.
It's so hot.
Well, you wanna stay in now?
Really?
No, like honestly, I wanna take it to the spot. It's really nice, so.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Alright. guys, I think she just finished showering, so we're gonna try to speed up this prank a little bit.
You miss me?
Huh?
You miss me?
Yeah.
It feels so good to shower and be clean.
Are you gonna do your hair today or what?
Well, yeah, I have to.
Yeah. You gotta hurry up though, cause
What?
for real, we're like on the clock right now.
Okay, well, let me just change, like, put something on for now. Well, you know what? Should I wear a dress or what?
Hold up. Wait a minute.
A dress?
Yeah, should I wear a
You wanna wear a dress?
That one that you got me, but I haven't worn it yet. This one.
Damn! Yeah, wear that one. Damn. I already
What?
pictured on you.
Shut up.
Gotta hurry up though, for real, baby.
Okay.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Well, duh.
I told you, Slade. Low-key gonna lose our table.
You know I still have to do my makeup, right?
Bruh.
Should I do my makeup before my hair or? My
I
hair
say
takes
do your
forever, huh?
yeah. I say do your hair because you take a long
wet
time.
right now,
with
so I have to blow dry my hair.
yeah, because you take a long time with your hair for real. 'Cause you can't make up your mind like what style you want to wear it on.
Honestly, like, I don't even think I'm gonna blow dry my hair because it just takes forever and I'm gonna get hot again.
So you're gonna go with wet hair? Honestly, I think you should blow dry it. It's gonna be quick. Do your hair like quick. I'm not going with you with some wet hair.
Okay. I'll do it fast then.
Alright, like you gotta go like now, for real.
Okay.
Like you're real. You gotta go. Alright guys, she's in the bathroom right now. Any minute now she's probably gonna put on the blow dryer or blow dry her hair and she's gonna get pranked. So I'm a little bit terrified guys, I'm not gonna lie, but we're gonna wait for her reaction right now.
Got it.
Oh my god, my hair is so.
No.
If I had short hair, I didn't have to do all this.
Alright guys, I think she turned on the blow dryer right now. She's coughing.
Stop! Sam! What the hell? What the f is this shit? For real. What the hell did you do?
What happened? What happened? Dan's a lot of makeup. What happened?
Boy, if you don't.
What do you mean what happened? Look what you did. It's
What?
you. You put this in the damn blow dryer, didn't you?
Yeah, you know why?
Why?
Because you wanted to prank me with that possessed prank. I put baby powder. Hey, hold on, calm down. I put baby powder in your blow dryer. Look at your face. You already know it's Team Sami.
Oh really? Now we're gonna be more late.
Hey.
Are you even taking me anywhere?
I am, but there's no reservations.
Wow.
Wait. Oh man, that's crazy. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Stop.
No.
What?
What's wrong with you? My nose hurts.
It went in your nose?
I think.
Oh damn. That's crazy. So look at the mirror. So that's what you're gonna look like when you're like 70. Wait, calm down.
I'm actually really mad at you right now.
What?
Because now I have to shower again.
I'll make it up to you, I swear. I'll make it up to you. Bro.
Who does this to their wife?
What?
What's wrong with you? That's not funny.
Yes, it is funny.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Look at the mirror.
It's actually in my throat right now.
Want some water?
Bruh.
I have water.
Damn, that's crazy. I think that's too much powder on your face.
Just get out. Get out.
So, right, guys, we got her good. And, you know, she's pretty mad right now. And wait, what? What?
Nothing. What?
She's mad. Yo.
That's not even nothing compared to what you just did to me. I'm gonna go shower right now.
Yo, guys, look at this.
I'll do it again.
Wait. Okay, chill out. Chill out. Alright, guys, I'm gonna close out the video already because she's gonna probably like put powder all over my clothes right now. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell, and make sure you comment down below Team Sammy. And we'll see you guys next time. I love y'all. Peace.